Idiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
Idiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. Orlando Pirates won, Swallows Football Club won in the DStv Premiership on a Sunday evening. It's raining cats and dogs in Johannesburg and of course in Orlando, specifically at the Orlando Stadium. It was also raining. Good goal by Ben Mutuari. Everyone here went ballistic. We were all crazy when we saw that goal. And then, as if it was a movie that's interesting, we saw all three substitutes. Zika Brendan Trotter, Semi Siabi, Joseph Mhlongo, Mahlatsi, equalizing goal. It was beautiful, it was entertaining, it was exciting. So Vilagazi, highest ever goal scorer in the history of Orlando Pirates, is with us. He's the Idiski TV analyst. So, Ubona Janam Dala, were you happy with the way that the match played under the conditions?
Nguleko ukuqala ngizobulisa kini mfethu ngibulise nabantu abasenza ukuthi sikwazi ukukhuluma kahle lento le esibonayo lapha na e-TV. Nguleko ukuqala nje I'll clap my hands for both teams. Why ngenza kanjalo ngishaya izandla Nkululeko is because of the field was not okay ngoba imvula. But they've managed those boys ukuthi yazini basebenze hard, but they tried to do things. So keep warning. If teams are not careful about Swallows, something will happen. Swallows, they coming very strong. Kulego, kule game le nama ngabheka. First half, they had chances. Swallows, they didn't have luck. But dominated the game. Even though the Pirates pick up after about 25 minutes, where they started now, but 1-2. But you know, it Swallows. They organized those boys. They had the confidence. About his boy, they can play. About Mteto, la Midlin. Look at the Kamaldeen. You know, sometimes, but don't write off a player.
Yeah, for sure.
Kamaldeen, well done. Keep it up. Ubonisa bantu something that abangayiboni ukuthi you are a human being, you make mistakes, but now you are back. You're showing them ukuthi here's my quality. I'm a soccer player and I can deliver. He's doing very well. I'm very, very happy, and he's making runs. It's right and down right. The only thing was today ukuthi he didn't have luck. He had 2 chances where Usandilands has to save. You know, it tells you ngayo ukuthi his focus, confidence unayo, the coach believes in him. Our team inside, I am supporter. Everyone is believing in him. And then we are bonus. You know what, guys? Let me show you what I do appreciate what you're giving me. That team is Swallows. I'm not saying begin mistakes. I'm a mistake is always gonna be there. Peralapana it defends with Tlabika, this boy Ungobo, the center back. And then Pamguabo, Banomteto, on the right. Gulego, Swallows, they organize, even though Pirates they've tried. You know, everything started to change more. Pirates when Ungena Omango. Swallows, why they were dominating is because of Ulitlabika, no Ngobo. We can a striker is mahlupayo lapana phakathi. So it was easy for them. That's why babona ukuthi uLodge mawutangena bakhona la behind. So bekaku holiday at some point until masengena umango. That's when it started to work. Gulego, you know, beautiful game from Swallows, and Pirates they played well. But Swallows mina ngizosho uZimba ngizomfanisa nayo ka-19 21. You play without a striker. I don't know, maybe by practice and I Jimin, but the way Badala Ngakon doesn't show good by practice Jimin, because one of the 3 must get to that position of being a striker when Mangabik attack. But Boguban, no one, everyone who so we don't know what he.
And you need someone in the box.
If you want to score, get people inside the box. Sometimes Ngulego, by getting inside the box doesn't mean you mongene boxing. it means good to win initial uzokora. But by getting inside the box, you're creating a space for also your midfield. Look at the goal ga Ben Motswara. Beautiful goal. Look at Wenzel Mango. Use boxing. There were 3 players around Mango. It tells you because all of them they know Mango is a striker. So if Mango was on space, hey, danger will come.
Sure.
So Benzan 3 bafuna ukumvala laphana and then happen ukuthi clear ibola la shaya still kuye futhi Mango. Look at that touch ka Lodge. You know Kulego, I'm begging our coaches. Let's not kill these boys, man. Why I'm begging our coaches? You can't take skill away from a player. It tells you what a touch Galoj. He's skillful. He's born like that. The only thing that you need to do as a coach is just to coach him what you can do your skill in certain areas. That touch, that finish up Ben Motswara. I mean, what more can I ask?
Yeah, it was a great goal.
And you know, I was asking myself, Ben Motswara. Because Ben Motswara is somebody that can be in that position. So one, maturity yake. 2, they know good. Okay, now we're playing home. We need to score a goal. So everyone goes. And mabaya abaye bebanga iblapa baya ngamapezi kahle in positioning right because outside the box if there's somebody it tells you ukuthi you guys are organized. Beautiful goal. But I'm disappointed in Kulego with the referee decision. Yes, we can debate or argue ngendaba kumakaringa ukuthi the way awe ngakhona but the foul is a foul. A foul is a foul. And we play really silly why komba lapha. Ukuthi bakaringe akaconvince ukuthi really uthekiliwe. That's not an issue. An issue here is there was a tackle and it's a foul. That's a penalty done. So I think by getting that goal, maybe it makes things easy. But I think they deserve that goal. It was a penalty. I'm sure because of a goal. But after that, Kulego, it's a coach. That's where some of us as coaches we coach in Jan. Look at the Swallows. They made changes. They put attacking players. The best way to defend is to do what? Is to attack. So that's why they put attacking players to force the Pirates to know. And the Pirates they know but use my full peg to go up and down. That's why Benzeni, but okay, my changes with you 3 stay there. The forcing Pirates because they know the Pirates is dangerous. But now the Pirates had to think, attacking players. So if Azokopogalo is also the problem. Uyezake wena ukibu Justa right back
Faka midfield
wela position faka uNdlovu uNdlovu udlala right back. Okay, perfect. 4 defenders uyabuya manje uyaleader kule uyaleader ufaka uSam left back so na 5 ufaka uLonduzana uMayile left back so na 6 including this young boy Baseka Mako na 7. Gulego, what are you thinking? Funu Gonzan, Funu defend. The more you put defenders, you saying to me I must come to you, and that's what Swallows they did. But okay, and in the Gulego is I don't know whether Lama coach today really analyze and basma mele kutisitini. Kulego, you put more defenders, you're confusing with players. I'm telling you because there'll be a lot of numbers. Look at the goal Swallows. They 3 subs, attacking players. Afago Swallows, a midfielder, a right winger, a left winger. There's a combination that. Get that triangle, you've got 4 players, but I left lap. You've got Maile, you've got Usemu, you've got Ulontuzo, Umako,
Three.
yeah, by 3.
Yeah.
In that triangle, Pumile la Payane pass, cross, goal. 70, Gulego, you know, we're not saying, when we must analyze, we're saying about coach depends the way it's but I mean, what I'm saying is, analyze umuntu game yakho ukuthi when you put 7 for now ngizoyibeka manje ngithi 7 defenders uthi bashape kanjani la by 3 be left uthi bame kanjani ke la ku left back because already la central unohlashwayo unolontwana unyawuza then ngale unayo I shooting uNdlovu ngale so uthi kumiwe kanjani ke la. And again, you still have a defensive midfielder, Ben Mutswara, that needs to cover the very same defense. Mind the problem, ain't it? So, how many defenders are you having? 8. Then, it threatens Wenjan. One was in the trade lab. So, you say Umango must do all the job.
I think I'm so sorry. So, yes, sometimes we speak from a different position from as a fans because I do notice sometimes there is a gap between you, Junior Kanye, myself, and the fans in terms of understanding. I think some fans, because often they're schooling and obviously TV analysts, the TV analysts don't really understand football, so they don't tell people the best information about football. You know, some fans they actually accept Uguti. Umangabe we are leader with 10 minutes. Some fans actually think that all you need to do is to put 10 defenders, we value match. But because they've never been taught differently. Just tell me or tell us, educate us as to what is the danger of leading by 1 goal and putting in 7 defensive players or 6 or 8 defensive-minded players. What is the danger in that?
Kulego okokuqala is you saying to the opponents, come to me. Because my former defenders, who's going to also attack? No one. So you're saying to the opponents, come, I'll wait for you. 2, you're going to have one way or another. The confusion is over corner lapana move. Because maseba baningi lapaya ipass izodlula la lo me la uzotshela ukuthi no uNkululeko uzoyivimba nami uzothi nawe uNkululeko uzothima ngizovimba idlule la. That's what happened kule goal le yeSwallows. So it's very important Nkululeko when you're leading, the best way to defend that goal yakho, you put attacking players. Be disciplined in terms of your fullbacks, your attacking your defensive midfielder and your midfielders that are attacking. To say let's be stationary. Let's allow that 3 to do the job. Let's keep our shape. Let's keep our discipline in our positions. Because as soon as Nkululeko, you're gonna allow them to play normal. They're going to create spaces. Remember that you said to your defenders, they mustn't go up. Yeah. So if that midfielder, Yakupok, it means there's a gap behind him. So our opponents will use that space. That's when the defense. The best way to defend is to attack. It swallows for them to get a goal. They must get the ball. Yeah. So if Perez the mistake, but it tells you. Mama changes since we coach. That's why they were losing the balls because people know like transition. So abagwazangu good security ball. Keep the ball. Play it in those angles where you're forcing everyone to go and look for that ball. You know, udlalele corner flag. Say to because my keeper Bolochi, who's gonna delay the game? Also now among my players that they can go there and figure out the skill and delay the movement and get the ball again. Because remember, Nkululeko, if you play that pass early, it's seconds. And I figure lapana and delay, a minute can go. And then mangabe iswalo la people. Just imagine the Puma lapana to the corner flag. Then they need to build up Swallows from there to Mapalinuit. Yeah. It's going to take them how many minutes? Yeah. How many seconds? So, you know, Nkululeko, the best way, I want our people to understand that when you're leading, the things that you need to do for you to win the game and frustrate the opponents, be disciplined at the back and the midfield and allow the 3 up front to take the ball wide. Because another thing is, remember Nkululeko, that they'll be desperate. They make mistakes. They will make mistakes. Yeah. So if you keep your midfielder to be disciplined in the midfield and say, no, let's wait for them. And when you get the ball, don't try and be smart. Get the ball and play it wide la panelele, and then let your forwards delay la pekonen. Simple. And then the other thing is frustrate them. While they think ukuthi sesi winile, siyayisa we play, change sale.
Sure.
Say buyisa foot, change sale. Let's frustrate them because that's the only way you can beat the team when you're leading 1-0. But the mentality corner is ukuthi when you're leading 1-0, you put defenders. When you put defenders, you say to the opponents, come to me, you are welcome. Yeah. And the Swallows said, thank you very much, we're coming to you, and then they got a goal.
Yeah, there you go, and that's simple as that. But of course, we can never underestimate the entertainment value of a 1-1 in a Soweto derby, where 2 goals were scored in the last 7 minutes of the game. We really thoroughly enjoyed that. I remember what Saul was saying, when Pirates were leading 1-0 with 5 minutes added on, he was like, this is too much time. Because of his observation, he could see what the Swallows could still get an opportunity here, and some of the changes that were being made by Pirates were too defensive. You could see it, and Swallows FC scored the deserved goal. Hopefully you enjoyed the game as well. Well done to Swallows. You closed the gap by 2 points now. You are 2 points from Mamelodi Sundowns, so it gets more and more interesting now at the top of the table. Right? We are at Itiski TV, of course, on Facebook. We have over 56,000 people following us there. On Twitter, Itiski Times. Itiski Times, that's the name of the website and the paper as well. We are sponsored by World Sports Betting. We thank them very much. We thank you very much for watching the video.